Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects almost every part of your financial life, your credit score. We'll talk about what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can improve it. So let's get started. So, what exactly is a credit score? It's a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness or how likely you are to repay money you borrow. The score usually ranges from 300 to 850. Lenders, such as banks and credit card companies, use your credit score to decide if they should lend you money and at what interest rate. A good score can help you get better rates on loans, mortgages, and credit cards, saving you thousands of dollars in the long run. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a good credit score? Credit scores are generally categorized like this. A good credit score typically falls between 670 and 739, but having a score of 740 or above puts you in the very good or excellent range. Okay, so why should you care about your credit score? It's not just about getting approved for loans. A good credit score can mean lower interest rates, which can save you money over time. Keeping your score in the good or higher range can make a significant difference in your financial life. Let's look at an example. Imagine someone with a credit score of 650. They're trying to get a mortgage. Because their score isn't great, they're offered a 4.5% interest rate. But if they had a score of 750, they could get a rate of 3.5%. Over 25 years, that could save them tens of thousands of dollars in interest payments. That's the kind of difference a higher score can make. Plus, some landlords and employers even check your credit score. Your credit score is calculated based on a few different factors, and understanding these can help you improve it. Let's break it down. Payment history. This is the most important factor. It shows whether you pay your bills on time. Missed or late payments can seriously hurt your score. Credit utilization. This measures how much of your available credit you're using. If you have a credit card limit of $10,000 and you're using $7,000, that's 70% utilization. Ideally, you want to keep this number under 30%. Length of credit history. The longer you've had credit, the better. If you've had a credit card for 10 years and always paid on time, it helps boost your score. Types of credit. Having a mix of credit types, like a mortgage, car loan, and credit card, can improve your score, but be careful not to open too many new accounts too quickly. New credit inquiries. Every time you apply for new credit, like a loan or credit card, a hard inquiry is made on your report, which can lower your score slightly. While the exact formulas are proprietary, this breakdown is commonly accepted and has been referenced by various financial institutions. Now let's get to the good stuff. How to improve your credit score. Whether you're starting from scratch or trying to fix a low score, these tips will help. Pay your bills on time. This is the most important step. Set up automatic payments if you need to, but never miss a due date. Lower your credit utilization. Try to keep your balances low. If possible, pay down your debts to under 30% of your available credit. This will give your score a boost. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Every time you apply for credit, it creates a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Be strategic about when and why you apply. Check your credit report regularly. You can get a free copy of your credit report from credit bureaus like Equifax or TransUnion. Check it for errors and make sure everything is accurate. Keep old accounts open. If you have old credit cards with no balance, keep them open. The longer your credit history, the better your score. So to wrap things up, your credit score is one of the most important financial numbers you'll deal with. But with a little attention and discipline, you can build or improve your score and save yourself a lot of money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching.